joining in.
Quick! Fizzy Phoebe! I need your help!
Ugh, I'm now soaked!
There are some magical boxes in the sea, but I can't get to them.
That's because they belong to moi.
Sorry, Ariel. I'd help, but I'm scared of the ocean. I can help, Ariel, with a little bit of fizzy magic. Fizzy, whizzy, oh, fizzy box.
Yay! Thanks, Fizzy. Now you'll all see the magic of the sea.
Miss Hands, we need a hand.
Hey everyone, it's me, Miss Hands. Ursula, I can see you hiding. Ursula!
What? I thought I'd make your mystery boxes a little more magical. Kapow!
Uh-oh, I'm scared.
All right, everyone, time to open our first mystery box. I wonder what's inside this red box. Time to find out.
No, stop! It'll be all right, Phoebe. Trust me. All right, Fizzy.
I wonder what it is. Whoa! It looks like a lot of red gloopy slime. But what's this?
Shark! It's the end of the world! Excuse me. Could you please put me back in the water? Oops! Sorry! It's a starfish! Aw, cute!
Of course we can, little starfish. Here you go. Wait, there's something else in here.
Blue pencils! But we don't have anything to color in!
Yes, we do. Look.
Oh, I have a whale joke! Where do whales sleep at night?
In my cave?
Hey, Ursula, that's not nice. Miss Hands, we best be quick before Ursula tries to do something fishy. I think you're right, Ariel. Come on, everyone. Time to color. Perfect! One beautiful blue whale. All right, time to find out what's inside of this green box. Here we go. Oh, whoa, look at this green wobbly slime. But wait, there's something else.
It's a seal.
Oh, can we color in a seal picture? Please, 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 please!
Of course we can, Phoebe. And look, we can use this gray pencil. There you go, Mr. Seal. Oh, so cute. All right, time to find out what's inside of this yellow box. Oh, I can't hear anything. Let's find out. Whoa, it's empty.
What? Where's that little fish?
Oops. Sorry I'm late, everyone.
Ah! Kapow!
Flounder, no! Quick, quick! We need to help him! The poor little whale!
Whale? I'm not a whale. I'm a fish.
Oops! Oh, yeah.
Look, there's some yellow and brown pencils. We could color in the pufferfish picture.
That's a great idea, Flounder!
But, wait, could you help me out first, please? Of course, Flounder. Kapow! There you go, Flounder. spiky and cute he is. All right, we're nearly there. Time to find out what's inside this black box. Here we go. Oh, whoa. Look at all of this. Whoa, wobbly, stretchy purple slime. I think there's something else in here. Whoa, it's an orange seahorse. Back in the sea you go.
Wait, Miss Hands, look! I see an orange pencil. Yay! Now we can color in the seahorse.
You're right, Fizzy. All right, let's go. Beautiful. We've got one curly whirly seahorse. All right, we've got one more box to open. The orange box. Here we go. Whoa! All right, let's get all of this sticky pink slime off.
Ooh, a treasure chest! I wonder what's inside.
Let's find out, shall we?
Awesome sauce!
All right, let's open it up. Whoa, look at all of these gold coins. And look, we've got all of these different colored jewels. We've got pink, orange, purple. Whoa, that's my favorite. Green, and look, another orange.
Yay, we're rich!
No, they're mine.
Actually, Ursula, this treasure belongs to the sea. We have to throw it back.
Well, I belong in the sea, so therefore, this treasure is mine.
I don't think so. Fizzy, Wizzy, the Busy Bop.
No!
Ursula, you need to learn to be kind.
Ha! You poor, unfortunate soul. I could never be kind, no matter how hard I try.
Ursula, stop!
Fine, you win this time. But next time,
Yay, we did it! And look, I'm not scared of the sea anymore. You're right, Ursula. We will see you again, but next time as friends. Come on, Phoebe. I think you deserve an ice cream. Awesome sauce! Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a Fizzy fantastic day. We will see you next time. Ooh, what flavor ice cream are you gonna get, Fizzy?
All together now. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo Busy Bop.